2020 Wassce Core Mathematics, Paper 2, Question 2. A. Make y the subject of the relation P equals 2x multiplying square root of a fraction with numerator Q, bracket open, 1 plus a fraction with numerator r squared and denominator y, bracket closed, with denominator s. Our first step will be to get rid of the square root sign, and this can be done by squaring both sides of the equal sign, of which the result will be p squared equals 4x squared, bracket open, a fraction with numerator ky squared plus qr squared and denominator y squared s, bracket closed. Now we need to get rid of the denominator, so we can multiply through by the denominator or the LCM, which is y squared s, which will now give us p squared y squared s equals 4x squared ky squared plus 4x squared qr squared. Now we need to make y the subject, and y could be found in p squared y squared s and can also be found in 4x squared ky squared, which means we can subtract 4x squared ky squared from both sides of the equal sign and then factorize y squared, which will now give us y squared, bracket open, p squared s minus 4x squared equals 4x squared r squared q. Now we want y, so we can divide by p squared s minus 4x squared to make y squared the subject. But since we are looking for y and not y squared, we need to find positive square root of both sides, which will give us y equals plus or minus square root of a fraction with numerator 4x squared r squared q and denominator sp squared minus 4x squared q. B. Given that m equals 3, n equals minus 2, and x equals minus 1, calculate 2mn squared x all over 3m minus n. If m equals 3, n equals minus 2, and x equals minus 1, then 2mn squared x all over 3m minus n is equal to 2 multiplying m, which is 3, multiplying n, which is minus 2 squared, multiplying x, which is minus 1, all over 3 multiplying m, which is 3, minus n, which is minus 2. So simplifying this will give us 2 times 3 is 6, minus 2 squared 4, and then minus 1 for the numerator. And the denominator we have 3 times 3 giving us 9, minus 2 give us plus 2, which will now give us minus 24 over 11, which is an improper fraction and can be converted to a mixed fraction, which is minus 2 whole number 2 over 11.